Hey baby. Hello darling. I know. I've got a hot drink, I can't fuss you. Come on then. Time to go up the shed. Come on then.
Is waiting for me to get out of here so I can fuss her some more. She's at the door. Hey baby. I've got to record this vlog. Oh my god. She's so cute. You coming in? Oh, just a quick fuss, but I'm not staying. You're too distracting. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, she's so adorable. I don't want a cat. Don't want a cat. Don't want a cat. I don't want a cat. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are enjoying these weekly vlogs, can you please do me a favour and hit the share button below? The YouTube algorithm isn't too friendly if you've been away, so I know some people are missing out that would like these videos. So if you could please give me some interaction on the video and share it to people that you think would like it, I would very much appreciate that. So what have I done this week? I have been creating an abstract canvas for which I am doing a tutorial on for the monthly challenge group on journal workshops, because I often hear from people that abstracts are difficult. So I'm giving this little trick. It's like a little rule that you can do your abstract by to make it kind of easier to approach, and that'll be posted in the monthly challenge group on the 1st of November, which is a free group on journal workshops. If you want to go and have a look, there's over 7.5 years of archive challenges in there. I mean, that's a lot. That is a lot of videos and projects going off. And I also did my Curio wall, which I guess I should kind of explain a little bit about the actual theme of this outside studio now. I'll let Jenny Belly in like early 2020 tell you what it is. I'm gonna use Dumbledore's office as my inspiration. Now, if you haven't been to the Universal Studios and seen Dumbledore's office, the Harry Potter tour I mean, and seen Dumbledore's office, it is my favourite room. I love it, or the set, I love it. And it's got these cases with these kind of magical objects in it, and very Curio, cabinet of curiosities kind of style, but then the furniture is very oaky. And although it isn't used, or I think it's maybe used once in the film, the back room has these like sofas and more upholstery type things that are purples and rich colours. So sophisticated Dumbledore's office meets bohemian, meets Moroccan, in dual tones, with maybe a Victoriana cabinet curiosity type gothic-y twist maybe. So that's what it is. It's a mix of a lot of things. I think of it kind of like an Edwardian woman's smoking room, because men always had smoking rooms and I always loved them. Like when I go and visit grand houses, it's the billiard rooms and the libraries and the gentlemen's smoking rooms that I really love. But obviously it's a gentlewoman's. So I am going to do like a before and after full video of the makeover process of this room, because there's loads that I'm not sharing in these vlogs, like I'm just giving you like little tidbits here and there. But just quickly, the idea behind this wall is that it's kind of a working wall, not just a curio wall. I love the curio cabinet idea, and I obviously can't have a cabinet in here, it's not big enough, so I've got lots of different shelves from lots of different places to put on the wall. And as well as the nice kind of curio objects, I'm going to have my apothecary ingredients in here. I'm going to have my gemstone jars in here and different things that I like to work and play with. And yeah, it's coming along rather nicely. I love it. So I think that's it really for this week. Yeah, it's been a fast and furious one, to be honest. Like, I haven't really stopped to be able to breathe. I've been doing dig as well as everything else this week. Dig, which is the class that I did last week, is still available if you want to take it. It's an anytime course. It's a pay what you choose course starting at free. So I'm not going to kind of share what it's about. I've done that on the previous vlog. It's technically over now, but it's a course that doesn't really have time frames, to be honest. It's a take it as you need it type of a course. So that is now archived on Journal Workshops for whenever you want to do it, along with all other courses on Journal Workshops, which for the moment are still at mates rates, but they're only going to be at that for a couple more days. Mates rates is the highest discounts I've ever done on there. 50% average to 80% off. Some of them are like £1. So I think that's everything for this week. Please hit the share button if you can think of anybody that would like these vlogs, and I will see you all next week. Have a really gorgeous, wonderfully creative week. Bye. Bye 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 bye.
You heard me coming out, didn't you? Yeah, you did. Jump through the fence. So eager. It's very difficult to fuss you one-handed. I'm going to have to put this down. Yes, I am. I don't want a cat. I don't want a cat. I don't want a cat.